Presided over the Constituent Assembly: A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. On which date is Partition Horrors Remembrance Day observed? A. August 14, B. August 15, C. January 26, D. November 26. Correct answer is A. August 14. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Civil disobedience movement, C. Quit India movement, D. Swadeshi movement. Correct answer is C. Quit India movement. What was the famous slogan associated with the Quit India movement? A. Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, B. Do or Die, C. Inqilab Zindabad, D. Swaraj is my birthright. Correct answer is B. Do or Die. Who gave the slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the most prominent leader of the Indian National Army? A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, D. Dadabhai Naoroji. Correct answer is B. Subhash Chandra Bose. What was the another name for Indian National Army? A. Bharat Sena, B. Azad Hind Fauj, C. Swaraj Army, D. Hindustan Sena. Correct answer is B. Azad Hind Fauj. Who is popularly known as Netaji? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Correct answer is C. Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? A. 1885, B. 1905, C. 1919, D. 1920. A. 1885. Who played a key role in founding the Indian National Congress in 1885? A. A.O. Hume, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. A. A.O. Hume. Who is associated with the slogan "Swaraj is my birthright"? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Sardar Patel. Correct answer is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which movement was launched to protest against the partition of Bengal? A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Swadeshi movement, C. Quit India movement, D. Civil disobedience movement. Correct answer is B. Swadeshi movement. Who presided over the 1905 Congress session at Banaras? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Aurobindo Ghosh. A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is the correct answer. In which Congress session were the moderates and extremists reunited? A. Madras session, B. Lucknow session, C. Calcutta session, D. Banaras session. Correct answer is B. Lucknow session. When did non-cooperation movement begin? A. 1919, B. 1920, C. 1921, D. 1922. Correct answer is B. 1920. When was the Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed? A. March 3, 1930, B. March 5, 1931, C. April 5, 1931, D. April 15, 1930. Correct answer is B. March 5, 1931. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi undertake the Dandi March? A. 1920, B. 1928, C. 1930, D. 1942. Correct answer is C. 1930. When did Dandi March begin? A. March 12, 1930, B. March 12, 1931, C. April 12, 1930, D. April 14, 1930. Correct answer is A. March 12, 1930. When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. April 10, 1917, B. April 13, 1918, C. April 9, 1916, D. April 13, 1919. Correct answer is D. April 13, 1919. Where did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. Delhi, B. Lahore, C. Amritsar, D. Kolkata. C. Amritsar. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In which year did the Indian National Congress declare Purna Swaraj? A. 1927, B. 1928, C. 1929, D. 1930. Correct answer is C. 1929. Who was popularly known as the Frontier Gandhi? A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, C. Hasrat Mohani, D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Correct answer is A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which operation was launched in 1948 to integrate Hyderabad into the Indian Union? A. Operation Vijay, B. Operation Polo, C. Operation Meghdut, D. Operation Blue Star. Correct answer is Operation Polo. Thank you.